ऐसा लैंग्वेज जिसके जन्मदाता एप्लीकेशन की मृत्यु के बाद सिमिलर एप्लीकेशन ने उस लैंग्वेज को अडॉप्ट करके उस लैंग्वेज को आज दुनिया का नंबर 1 लैंग्वेज बना दिया।
क्यों भी ओवर एक्टिंग करता है साला? ओवर एक्टिंग की औलाद। अब तेरे को बराबर होता नहीं क्या बोलने को? चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से।
Would you agree if I say there is only one language which can make you full stack developer? Only one language. That language is adopted by big companies like Google, Meta, LinkedIn. You name it and I say it, yes. 99% of the web world is running with that language. It has captured the market so well that if you learn that language, you cannot think about your job security. You should stop thinking about your job security. Let me clear the suspense. The BAP of all the language, JavaScript. JavaScript is more than just a web development language. Most of the community believed that it is a front-end language. In fact, they had debate to make this language beyond the front-end. But where really exists it today? What do you think? Don't worry, because today we will see how this one language topped among the most popular technologies in programming language. You know, in US, many people learn the JavaScript without any degree and they grab a good position in the companies like Google. But once I start talking about this language in detail, I want you guys to be focused. So before getting into the main part of this video, I have a really exciting announcement for all the learners who want to upgrade their skills and looking for a good job. Guys, Unacademy has launched a new app called Next Level.
Guys, I have already talked about Next Level and their seasons, in my previous videos. But those who have not heard of Next Level, let me tell you guys, Next Level is a gamified coding competition platform. And on that platform, you can have fun gameplay, coding matches with anybody. And you can get the proficiency rating. And with the help of that rating, you can unlock multiple jobs in top companies. And guess what? Every month in next Level season, top 3 winners can get prizes like MacBook, iPad, Kindle. But here comes the major benefit. Your rating unlock the opportunity to interview and get placed in companies like KPMG, Paytm, Cashify, FirstCry and many more. ये इंडिया के सबसे बड़ी कंपनीज में जॉब लेने का मौका है, बस एक गेम खेलकर। है ना इंटरेस्टिंग? इफ यू स्टिल हैव डाउट, सो लेट्स मीट द विनर्स फ्रॉम द लास्ट सीजन। फ्रंट एंड जनवरी सीजन्स के विनर हैं श्रीहरि, रेहान, अव्यांश। एंड बैक एंड सीजन्स के विनर हैं धीरेन्द्र, हिमाजा, रोहित. They have been awarded the Apple and Kindle goodies. On top of this, they are interviewing for the companies, जो कि मैंने पहले बता दिया था. But guess what? You still have a chance. You can participate for the February seasons. And the leaderboard is up. जितना जल्दी खेल के जितना ज़्यादा मैच जीतोगे उतना ही ज़्यादा चांसेस होंगे आपके टॉप पे आने के. So hurry up. Initially आप वेटिंग लिस्ट में जाओगे क्योंकि बहुत यूजर साइन अप कर रहे हैं. All you need to do is either wait for some time, which is a slower process, or refer some of your friends to quickly clear the wait list. And as a bonus, 5 successful referral, आपकी पूरी wait list clear हो जाएगी. So go and check out Next Level today.
JavaScript. Let's have a look at the history of JavaScript. Don't skip because I'm sure it will definitely excite you. The history is definitely going to excite you. Because with that you will understand from where it started and from where it exists today. So JavaScript was born for a browser navigator by Netscope. They thought they will bring some dynamism in our web. Before JavaScript was born, we had only static web pages. But their target was to make JavaScript not only a front-end language, but a back-end language too. However, they could not succeed due to challenges in the dev community. Because it was hard for people to accept this language as a server-side language. Because that time, Java was already there. Even though it was not succeeding in the marketplace of the backend development, it was gaining popularity in the front-end part of the dev community. After the death of Navigator, all the popular browser like Firefox, Chrome eventually adopt this language. And later on, companies like Meta and Google They built their framework itself in JavaScript. And today, that framework is called Angular and React. So if you learn JavaScript, you get to know two popular framework. But wait, it's just a start. Picture अभी बाकी है. This was a story of a front-end side of a JavaScript. अभी तो हम बैक एंड पे पहुंचे ही नहीं है और अभी बहुत सारी अचीवमेंट्स जावास्क्रिप्ट की बाकी है. Why? That's why it is called the number one language in the tech industry, in the technology, in the programming language. So main story starts here. It was already popular in the front-end side. As soon as Node.js was born, it gained its popularity in the server side. And guess what? Companies like LinkedIn and Medium use it to create their platform for users to access their services. समझ रहे हो? Client side captured. Server side captured. As I said, JavaScript is not limited to the only web development language. But you can create different kind of softwares like games, computer programs, web applications, and even technologies like blockchain. So कैसा लगा सुन के? तो one language and you can become master in the tech industry. And this is the reason this language is gaining popularity like anything. And today this is the number one language in the world in the programming, in the technologies, in the programming language. And on top of everything, this is the language which is easiest to learn. Easiest, I'm saying. तो मैंने गलत नहीं कहा. That in US, most of the people without any degree, they just learned this language. Now after this video, go and check on LinkedIn jobs. Search with the keyword JavaScript and see the demand of JavaScript job opening. Even today itself. So when are you planning to add JavaScript in your bucket list of 2023?